How to fix Death Stranding 2 on the beach is crashing. So first you're gonna go to your library and then right click on the game and open up the properties window. Now in the general tab in launch options you wanna add -dx11 like this, and then go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. Now once this is done you can close Steam and then open up your browser. And you want to look for redistributables by typing redist and clicking on the first Microsoft link. Now from this second table here, you'll need to download and install the 86 redist and the 64, both of them. It might require computer restart after you finish the installation. And next you want to also check if you have the latest driver updates for your GPU. So if you're running NVIDIA GPU, you can download and install NVIDIA app. Or if you're using AMD, you can use the AMD software. And from the drivers tab here, you will need to check for the latest available driver and download and install it. And once the installation is completed, you want to basically run Steam as admin. Before launching the game, right click on Steam and run as admin. And then you'll just need to launch the game from your library, and this should fix the crash problem. If you find this helpful, leave a like and see you on the next one.